Let's look at number 11. 11 is unique because what 11 is saying is we have three groups of what's in the parentheses. Now, we've done this in combining like terms. We just haven't done it in solving equations yet, but we've done distributive property recently. So what we're saying is that we have a 3x minus 6 how many times? 3 times. Which happens to be 18 equals 9x and negative 18. Because I added these up. I listed them 3 times and then added them up. Or you could look at it as 3 x's is 9, and 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. And you can look at it that way, but a lot of times what will happen is that students will miss the signs. All right, so then now it's a two-step equation. We add the units to both sides, and we get 36. Divide both sides by 9, and x is equal to 4. So what does x is equal to 4 mean? Well, it still works the same way, that if you go back and write in a 4 for x, it should still work out. All right, so what's 3 times 4? We're going to do what's in the parentheses first because of PEMDAS. Well, that's 12. So 18 equals 3 times 12 minus 6. What is 12 minus 6? 6. 18 equals 3 times 6. Well, what is 3 times 6? It's 18. And 18 equals 18. Excellent. Well, Mrs. Evans, what if, looking at number 12, I'm dealing with a negative number? Well, it's just like the last one, only you have negative of them. So you'd flip the sign. So let's take a look at that. 30 equals 6n plus 6 negative 5 times. Well, here it is 5 times. And to be negative 5 times, I have to flip all the signs to the opposite, which means even my plus signs, it's hard to do on a tablet, become negative 6, negative 6, negative 6, negative 6, and negative 6. So now what do I have? Well, I have negative 30n, and negative 30 is equal to 30. Then I solve it like a two-step problem. Plus 30, plus 30, negative 30n is equal to 60. Divide by negative 30, n is equal to negative 2. So now I go back to the original problem. And now I solve. So what is 6 times negative 2 is negative 12. Negative 12 plus 6. So I borrowed $12 from a friend, but I paid them 6 back. But I still owe them 6, right? And now what is that? It's negative 5 times negative 6 is positive 30. And that means 30 equals 30.